In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Notion 2026. We're going to walk through how to take a track from Spotify and embed it directly inside a Notion page, so you get a nice, playable widget. This is great if you're building a music dashboard, a study playlist inside your notes, or just want quick access to your favorite songs while you work. First, open the Notion page where you want your music to live. In this example, I'll be using a page that's set up as a simple music tutorial, but you can use any page in your workspace. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can type and add new blocks. Click into the page where you want to add the song and start typing. You're going to use Notion's command menu, which appears when you type a slash. Begin by typing a /, then start typing the word embed. You should see options appear underneath as you type. Look for the option that lets you add or link content and select it. This is what will turn your Spotify link into an embedded player. Now, switch over to Spotify. Find the track, album, or playlist you want to embed. Click on the three dots next to the title to open the options menu. From that menu, look for the share option and then choose the embed option for the track. Spotify will show you an embed preview along with a button to copy the code or link. Click Copy. This puts the embed information onto your clipboard so you can paste it into Notion. Head back to your Notion page. Click into the embed field that you just created. Paste the embed code or link you copied from Spotify. Once you paste it in, Notion will automatically recognize it and create a Spotify widget. Confirm the embed, and within a moment you should see the track appear as a playable block right on your page. If you don't see the player right away, give it a second to load or double-check that you pasted the full link from Spotify. You can resize the block by dragging the corners if you want it to take up more or less space in your layout. One important note: when you embed Spotify directly in Notion, you usually get a 30-second preview rather than full playback, unless the listener opens it in the Spotify app. It's still a handy way to organize and reference your music visually inside your workspace, and that's all you need to connect Spotify to Notion in 2026.